Morning, cactus people. It's a lovely 34 degrees in the Cactus House this morning, but I don't think we've got a climate emergency. Now, some of you may know our viewer Scott, who's a regular commenter on the videos, who is also a bit of an Opuntia fan. Well, he paid us a visit last week in the middle of all the chaos that was going on, and he and his family came down. It was lovely to see them, and he took a few plants back, but he also brought a few plants with him, which first one is this lovely Copiapoa. I'll hold this up to the camera. Maybe a hybrid. It's a lovely looking plant, quite a few years old, and it's got a little pup down the side here I've noticed, which is excellent. That will have pride of place with the other Copiapoas in the Cactus House. It's brilliant. And the other thing, he bought a little parcel, which I always like a little parcel, and he's given me emailed me a list of things that might be in here, so we'll have a little look. Nicely packaged up there, and this is the first thing that grabs my eye: Opuntia pachypus. Love a good pachypus. I'll open that up. And this is what the tweezers were for. Ooh, that's lovely. So that will go with the other pachypus, because we're getting a nice little collection. I've got one small one I got a few years ago, and then a larger one that was a rescue. And hopefully if we get some flowers on all of them at the same time, we can do some cross-pollinating, and that'll mean even more of them, which is fantastic. I'll put these on there. We're sorting the rest out. This one here. Now I probably won't be sure which ones are which until I compare what's on the list that he emailed me. Ooh, well, no, I do know what that one is. That's Opuntia Zebrina reticulata, which I believe Anders had one of these. Although I've got a feeling he said his died during the winter. They're very similar to the Opuntia quimillo, but they've got this lovely netted shape on there. Reticulate means netted in Latin. The reticula was the net the gladiators used to throw when they were stabbing something to death and they didn't want it to move too far. So, a couple of very good cuttings there. We'll root those up. Brilliant stuff. I've got a feeling these need a little bit of extra protection in the winter. On to the next one. All exciting stuff. I felt something spiky there. I should have put my gloves on, but I didn't. And yeah, there's some spikes coming through the top of this. Ooh. That's a lovely one. Let's hold that up. This could be one of two or three on the list. We'll work it out as we go on. It's got an O on the wrapper, so it might be not sure yet. We'll have a look. And on to the next one. Oh, this also looks equally as spiky. Oh, it's got a 4 on here, which I haven't got a 4 on my list, so I'm still none the wiser there. Let's open him up. Oh, it's like Christmas, I've got to rip the packing off. Oh, he's a good one too. There's something about little spiky plants. Lovely. He's rooted lovely as well. Brilliant stuff. This last one is labelled Stan, which is always a good one for a cactus, and from the list that he sent me, we have a little spike called Opuntia stanleyi, which appears to be 2 in there. Nope, just the one that was just packing, so let's hold him up. Have a little look at him. He's a lovely little one. So all of these are going to have a good position in the Opuntia beds when I work out which ones are which. So we've got the Zabrina, we've got the Pachypus, Fruit, Little Spike, Stanley. So one of these has to be the Opuntia fragilis, and the other one, hang on, oh no, those are 2 the same, aren't they? So possibly crossed with a polyacantha, so maybe across Columbiana. So we'll work that one out as we go along, but that's absolutely super, Scott. Thank you very much. I did open that one, didn't I? Yeah, just checking. So lovely stuff. I'll get these potted up, and I'll put these ones into gravel to root up, and I'll end the video here because I want to get these out of the direct sun so we've got the roots exposed. So thank you very much for coming down, Scott. It was lovely to meet your family and you, and I do hope we meet again at some stage. That would be brilliant. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm Ziggy Searchfield, and this has been from the Garden of England.